Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at I mean. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another episode, season, whatever you want to call it. I have this 2011 Toyota Sienna. This procedure applies for from 2011 to 2014 Toyota Sienna. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick. Okay. All you gotta do is, I'm gonna shut it down, okay? Just click on this twice, the start button. Don't step on the brake pedal, okay? Don't step on the brake pedal. Don't step on the brake pedal. Just, it's shut down right now, right? So just press it twice, okay? Now everything's gonna light up. With this pin, you're gonna press it until you got it in trip A. Let me see if I can somehow turn it down so you can see better. Okay, there you go. So if it's not trip A, just press it until it's right there. All right, so now you're just gonna like press it and hold it, and then you're gonna click that once to shut it down, keep holding it, and then press it twice to turn it on again. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Watch. Press it and hold it. Press that one once, then press it twice, and you're gonna see that. Now let that go, and that's how you reset the oil life in this from 2011 to 2014 Toyota Sienna. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy, Axtuo Burun. Hey, don't forget to support the channel, alright? Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Catch me in the next one. Support the channel by watching the whole ad, or subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Let me know how I did. Let me know whatever you have in mind, put it in the comment box, alright? Catch me in the next one. I'm outie, Axtuo Burun. I'm outie.